Hello everybody. So here is a spotlight on the Phalaenopsis equestris, and this is the variation Phalaenopsis equestris variation Ilocos. Ilocos is a province in the Philippines where it is known to be grown, and all of the Phalaenopsis equestris species are known to be found in the Philippines and also in Taiwan. And as you can see, there are two spikes. The leaves are very typical of the equestris species. It's very similar to the Lindinii, except that the Lindinii has the same everything, except that the leaves are mottled and variegated for Lindinii. It's very plain on this one, Equestris. But yeah, I really like the candy stripe patterns on these flowers. Here is the progeny of the that species. This is a complex hybrid of Equestris. This is a cross between little gem stripes and Millie's little feet, and you could see that definitely the leaves are much bigger on this one, and also the candy stripe patterns is much more mellowed, it's much more subtle, and the lip is way flatter, and it's almost in the same plane as the petals, and it's flatter and bigger also, and in terms of the size of the flowers, and just the whole plant in general. It's way bigger than the equestris parent. So there you go. So basically a feature of the Phalaenopsis equestris and its progeny. And hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Alright, thank you for watching. Happy growing, friends.